and this was about 3, what should my answer be close to, Carter?
7.
It should be close to 7. And instead of answer, what do you call the answer to an addition problem? Do you know? Sebastian? Sum. Good. So it should be close to 7. So in reality, if I know how to round, do you see that I don't even really need to know in decimal problems if I need to line up decimals or not line up decimals? Because you may have struggles with, well, wait, in addition, I line them up. In multiplication, do I have to line them up? If you don't want to remember that, you don't have to if you estimate, okay? So now we would actually line them up, add up the columns, and we get 6.3. And 6.3 might not round to 7, but that's not what I said. I said it's close to 7, okay? Can I go to the next slide?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoops, wrong way. Okay, if you can't see that, it says 4.325 plus 1.23. Well, if I'm estimating, what are the numbers that I'm doing in my head? Leah, what's 4.325? What's that close to? What whole number? Well, remember the rules of rounding.
5.
Well, the only thing is, remember, whoops, where'd it go? Where did it go? There. Remember, if the next number is 5, it's a little scary, 5 or bigger, it rounds up, but if it's not bigger than 5, it does not go up. So Leah is, if I'm looking around here, 3 is not bigger than 5, is it? So it's not gonna go up to 5, it'll stay, what? 4. And 1.23, Jazzy, is close to, what would that round to? What whole number? Once again, if I'm rounding here, I look next to the number, is that 5 or bigger? Is 2 bigger than 5? No, it's smaller. So that wouldn't round up, it would stay the same. So it would round to 1. Okay, does that make sense? It's kind of like saying if you have $1.23 in your pocket and I say, how many dollars do you have? You say, about 1, right? So I know my answer is going to be close to 5 without even doing anything, right? This board, it's like I write things and then they disappear.
They're very sensitive.
See, then they come back. Drives me nuts. What should I do with that space? Any suggestions? Jackson?
Put a 0.
I can put some zeros. Zeros are placeholders sometimes. We don't really need them if they're on the end, but if they're in between numbers, we definitely need them. So now I add my columns. Whoa. See, those weird things. Oh, wow. That was a 3 there, it wasn't a 0.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll fix it. Oh no, how about that? God bless you. Whoa, I didn't even mean for that to happen. You see what the answer is?
Yeah, 5.
5,
5, 5, 5, 5.
But we lined up the decimals and we just added the columns, right? Yes, yes. I'm gonna turn this off.
Yeah, we're